The firm had stock of 1,60,000. 50% of the stock was sold to Ravi, a partner, at a discount of 20%, while the remaining stock was sold at a profit of 20% on cost. This is a typical adjustment from dissolution chapter. Let us see how to solve this. When you see a question like this, always write the total value of stock at the center. You have to prepare a working note first, and then you can think about how many journal entries will come. So for the working note, write the book value of stock at the center, and then branch it out into two because it has been distributed in through two means. One is by giving to a partner and the other is being sold at the market. So I'm just writing how it has been disposed of. Taken by partner and then sold off for cash. Okay. How much is the book value taken by partner? How much book value of the stock has been sold off for cash? 50% exactly. Therefore, 50%, 50%. 80,000 worth of book value worth of 80,000 has been taken by partner. Book value worth of 80,000 has been sold off for cash. Now you can simply apply whatever is given in the question. 50% worth rupees 80,000, whichever was taken by the partner. Partner has not taken it at its book value. Partner said that I am not going to pay you full 80,000. I am going to take a discount of 20%. So discount at 20% of 18,000 will be 16,000. Therefore, partner is willing to pay only rupees 64,000 for this. The other 50% is being sold in the market, and we managed to get a profit of 20% on cost. Therefore, this is subtract and this is add because it is profit. A profit of 20%, which is another 16,000. But this one we managed to get 96,000 overall. Now we have figured out what are the final amounts for each of the distribution. We just need to find out what is the final entry. Okay, for this case, since partner has taken the stock, he is receiving a favor. Therefore, whenever a partner takes over asset, he is deemed to be receiving a favor. So whenever partner receives the favor from a firm, you debit the partner. Whenever partner takes over a liability, he is doing a favor for the firm. Therefore, whenever he does a favor to the firm, he will be given credit. So in this case, he is taking an asset, so debit the partner. Ravi's capital account. Debit. Stock is going out in this situation, so ideally stock account should be credited, but because this is a dissolution situation, we cannot credit stock. Therefore, we have to credit realization account. 64,000. So this is journal entry number 1 for this solution, and for this 96,000, this is simple, second journal entry. We have sold it for cash in outside market. Therefore, simply cash account debit to realization account. $96,000. So this is the solution. Hope it is clear to you. Let me know in the comments if you still have doubts. I will see you in the next question. Thank you. Bye bye.